Okay guys, today we're going to be doing a unboxing and review of the Gerber suspension NXT, and I will also be doing one but a year later, so stay tuned for that. But now we are going to be talking about this unboxing. Like, check this out. We've got minimal packaging, which is slightly disappointing. So let's look at the tools. This measures 1.5 inches and also has a nail filer. This scissor really works well, and I really like this, as you can tell. Remember, this is called suspension NXT because it uses suspension to hold the tools in place. The knife is probably one of the best. The Gerber Dime is much more comfortable to hold in the hand than the NXT, though, I do gotta admit. This tool is probably the one I have used most, and this has been after 1 year. I will be doing more Gerber reviews as well, so if you like Gerber or any multi-tools and cool stuff, then stay tuned.